Alright, guys, it's level 19, and wow, what a vibrant pink building. What? Wow, nice of the game to put the sniper right there. Well, anyways, I am going to immediately launch an artillery barrage. Can't waste any time. Oh my gosh, that guy was freaking... Okay. That's one sniper down and one artilleryman down. I'm gonna get enough and then just bombard this next position. One. Hey, no, we have enough. I swear it was just a few people. Oh my goodness. No. Okay. Okay, come on. We gotta start again. Okay, I'm getting bombed. Is that one guy? What? Hello, where'd the people... Did I just get hit by my own artillery? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What the fuck just happened? What the hell? Okay. I'm losing it. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry for cursing, guys. I'm gonna do it again, though. What the fuck was that? Oh. Okay. This game is gonna make me crash out. Okay. I'm gonna... Please don't let an artillery strike hit me, bro. Please. Yes! Thank you. See, I don't even know if that was my own art. Oh, no. Yeah, the officer. What a champ. Oh, he died. Okay, never mind. He's dead. Nah, I was thinking, whoa, what a champ, bro. Holding off the Germans on his own. Lone wolf. Okay, artillery strike it is. Bro, that shit did nothing. Okay, we have gas masks. Come on. Okay, another one. More. Another one. Okay, this has got to be it. Yes. Come on. I just need you guys to go and join the officer right now. Quickly, please, before the sniper shoots. Yeah, no. Why'd he die? Okay, it's fine. We killed him. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, pick up the pace. Run faster. Okay. Now... Just need to relax, hit a couple artillery strikes. Okay, that should be good enough. Quickly. No time wasted. Okay. 53 deaths this time. I got pushed back like twice. Again, okay, now the AI is like pushing me back. I'm feeling it. And this is okay, so we're just about to reach level 20 actually, so I'll see you guys there. See you guys in level 20.